Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I decided to sit down and go through my makeup and grab some stuff that I have a while without touching or trying. So I decided to do my makeup, and this is the look that I create. So you wanted to see how I accomplish this makeup look, just keep watching, and at the end of the video don't forget to subscribe and follow so you can see more videos of me later on in the future. It's the Huda Beauty this is the Rose Gold Edition Texture Shadow Palette. I'm gonna take this color right here, Shy. Now I'm using my phone because I like the quality of my phone better over my camera. I'm thinking of buying a new camera, you guys, because I really like, well, I had always loved taking pictures and recording myself. So I was like, you know what, my birthday's coming next month. I'm gonna be 27 years old. Then I'm gonna take the color Flamingo, which is this pink right here, very beautiful pink. It's like so embarrassing seeing my palettes, and I always say the same thing, but the majority of them, they are like, I barely have used them. I'm gonna cut the crease. Color right here, Man in There. I don't know how to say that name right there. And put it in the corner right here. And go back and take Flamingo and add more of that pink. Where are we going? Nowhere, but why not? So I'm gonna take this brush and add setting spray to it. I always do. I'm about to either do Angelic or Rose Gold. I'm gonna do both. The Angelic, I will put it right in the center. Right there. And then Rose Gold, I'm pretty sure this is like a, supposed to use it with your fingers. That's what I think you're supposed to do. But I'm gonna use the brush because I don't want to get my fingers. Are you guys even seeing what I'm doing? Because I can see when I have my eyes closed. I'm going to add more of that angelic color, like in the corner. So yeah, like a purple color right there. Let me see, I'm gonna take that Rose Gold and go in there. For primer, I have here the Huda Beauty Complexion Perfection Pre-Makeup Base. I have here the Huda Beauty Cream Foundation Fox Filter High Coverage and Macchiato 400G. This foundation is really full coverage, so that's what we're going for, a full coverage look. We're not going nowhere, we're just here gastando makeups. I'm gonna use this elf sponge. And for concealer, I have here the Huda Beauty, the Overachiever Concealer. Then for powder, translucent powder, the fentybeauty translucent powder in lavender. In my Sephora spring sale, I bought the Huda Beauty baking powder. I'm so excited to try that. I've been wanting that for a while, and I actually made the decision to buy it because I should. While my powder baked for a little bit, I'm gonna try to do the wing line. You guys better pray for me because I don't want to ruin this makeup. The wing line, I don't know if it's very good at all because I'm not good at doing wig lines and stuff like that, and I've never been good at it. But today I decided to get out of my comfort zone a little bit and try Beauty Iceland Tint Bronzer. This is my favorite bronzer of all time. Like, Fenty Beauty products never can do wrong. They are the best bronzer. So I'm gonna bronze my skin. Take this angle brush by Sigma to do my nose contour. Then I have this kkwbeauty setting powder. It's like a brightening powder, and I'm gonna take this to like make sure my cut creases. Look at my cut crease. My contour is like well cut. I love this powder so much. I'm gonna put a little bit under my eye so it brightens my under eye. I said I'm gonna put a little bit, but I put way too much. That's that. Now for the fun part. I have this Fenty Beauty, let me see, Vivid liquid eyeliner, and I'm gonna go on top of my wing line and use this. I'm telling you guys, I'm getting out of my comfort zone. Betting getting out, betting getting out. And I'm gonna go on top of my wing line. Let's hope I don't mess this up. Guys, I don't know you guys see what I try to do. I don't even know if what I try to do worked, but this is what we have. Now I'm gonna take this deep color right here. Maybe I should do Bossy. It's this brown color right there, and I'm gonna put that on my lower line lashes, my lower lashes. I have a pair of lashes here that I constantly use because they are so fabulous like that, but they were about to break on me. No, baby, you need to stay with me because I don't have no other fabulous lashes like this. Okay, so I'm gonna put glue to my lashes and let it dry for a little bit, and then we're gonna keep going because we need some color. For blush, we have here the Smashbox. I don't know how to say their name, but it's Smashbox, Smash something. So I'm gonna use this color right here. Oof. I'm gonna add setting spray. NYX lip liner in Auburn. I have this Huda Beauty lipstick in Wifey. I'm gonna take this L'Oreal Infallible lipstick in the name of Sweet Tooth to brighten the lipstick a little bit. Charlotte Tilbury Duo. I'm gonna use this as a highlight. I have this Morphe lip gloss that is my favorite. It's called Freebird. And I just love this lip gloss so much.